channel Kids Cloud.
Please subscribe to this channel Kids Cloud. What's inside an atom?
The discovery of atoms leads to the thought it is indivisible. The word atom comes from a Greek word meaning something that cannot split up further. Afterward, scientists revealed that the atom is not the smallest but made up of subatomic particles, neutron, proton, and electron. Later, they started to assume that subatomic particles are the fundamental particles of an atom. However, a recent study reveals something deeper inside the atom. It believes each proton and neutron composed of three smaller particles called quarks. But we will not discuss about quarks here. We will focus on subatomic particles as these are significant in understanding basic chemistry. Exploring atom is very interesting. Let's find out what's inside the atom. At the center of the atom, there is a nucleus. It is surrounded by shells called orbitals. Atoms consist of three subatomic particles: protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons carry positive charges and present in the nucleus along with neutrons. Neutrons have no charge. They are electrically neutral. Electrons are negatively charged and spins around the nucleus in a fixed path called a shell or orbital. Let's talk about the electrical charge on an atom. Atom has an equal number of protons and electrons. Positively charged protons along with chargeless neutrons are present inside the nucleus. Hence, overall charge on the nucleus is positive. Electrons are spinning around the nucleus in a fixed orbit. They carry a negative charge. The number of protons inside the nucleus is equal to the number of electrons present outside. So, the total positive charge on the nucleus gets cancelled with the negatively charged electrons outside the nucleus. The total electrical charge is zero and hence the atom is said to be neutral. Here are the examples of atoms: hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. In the hydrogen atom, only one proton is present inside the nucleus. There is no neutron, while a single electron is spinning around the nucleus. In the oxygen atom, 8 protons and 8 neutrons are present in the nucleus, while 8 electrons spin in orbits around the nucleus. In both, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Overall, they carry no charge and hence are said to be neutral.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.